Wow, what are the cooling moments? Cooling moment where you could just thank the Lord for the day and the night. Thank the Lord for life. Thank God for the opportunity where we can tour, where I can tour this country, my country. I've known certain places and I'm thankful I'm being here. It was unplanned and I'm enjoying myself. So thank you, Jesus, for making me be here. Woohoo! Hmm? This is amazing. I'm making a little laugh.
Yes.
I will make a little laugh from morning to evening. Ooh. Oh, look a bird. Sir, a blue heron. Right, we see the blue heron here. It right here. Maybe at the back up a little, or may not. Okay. No, heron. Heron, I saw heron too. I'll do some researches. Oh. Somebody in front of us. Okay. Wow. This is crazy. Wow. It is amazing. The scenery is mind blowing actually. It's amazing. Wow. Down the Caroni swamp, right? Ranch ahead, people. Ranch ahead, sir. Woohoo! Like Titanic. Iceberg ahead. Ranch ahead.
Say move your hand. What? Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Termites.
And eat her. Yeah, boy. That'll be fun as well. Don't touch, don't touch. Don't pull the branches. Oh, we meet up a crew there. That is so nice. Water a bit oily because of the gasoline. Oh, the gas is from the roots. It's going to be oily. Mm. is mangrove, mangrove, mangrove. Giant roots. Art, art textuals. It's like a form of art, eh? The root how it arch up like art. All the roots up into the has overgrown. Yeah, I thought it was gonna get all that. Yeah. Mhm. Hmm. Yeah, but they didn't have the woman, the person. Hmm. Oh my god. Well, that is the next book, the next story. We're opening our premiere, The Vampire Woman. I like Tori. Premiering. They say coming soon. I like you. You too, shit. Coming near to a cinema. Well, then he should have. And even though you're not getting a scope out, you could always go to the Google and Google everything and get information. You know, like those who ain't getting no information right now. Can't go for Google. Please. Yeah, you can nearly make me jump overboard. That snake thing. That snake drama, this song. Snake dramas. So, sir, you're giving us a little history of how everything happened. The Nanan man, the Mr. Nanan, and how the bird sanctuary came about. And you can give us a little something insight when you get chance. Thank you. No, that's kind of great. For those who are not informed, including myself much. Else. No, well, I know I just Google, but there's some people just wouldn't Google it. Google it. Oh, that's looking nice. Like if I polish this, like an art. Oh my God, this is like art. I love it. Scarlet Ibis, people. Yes, that's the national bird of Trinidad and Tobago. One, yeah. Scarlet Ibis. Cocrico for Tobago. That one is also Scarlet Ibis. Scarlet, petition with Scarlet. Scarlet letter. Scarlet. Ibis. And then Scarlet Ibis all flew by, but I missed it. But I will see them in the evening. Normally they were flying. There's a ban on killing Scarlet. The next one, the next one. Woo! What you have there? Roots ahead. Wow. All this silence with them baby. Not making noise. Not tripping. all right.
The side, the side. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
But you're not telling me which one.
Hmm. You just parking. So we saw crabs as well, huh? Crab all. Crab and dumpling. Seriously. These police people say, I like to eat. I don't like to cook too much. I love to eat. Oh, silence. Did he say, did he say everybody exit? Did he say?